Hi there, my name is Vanessa Friedman. I am an assistant administrator in the Adelanto Elementary School District in Southern California, high desert area. I am assigned to Westside Park Elementary School. We are a TK through fifth grade school. We have about 500 students. And when looking at the prompts, what is the vision for professional learning in my school and district? It's an exciting time in Adelanto School District. We have new superintendent leadership, and so he has encouraged us to craft a professional learning and collaboration plan. So this past year, we've been working on that at Westside Park, my site. We are choosing to focus our professional learning on reading instruction, literacy, as well as mathematics instruction. And so all of our professional learning tie back to those two foci areas. And the way that we developed these foci areas was we gathered input from our teachers. They took a survey, and that is how we established our target areas for professional learning. As far as the steps we've taken to ensure that there's buy-in regarding the vision, we do have a leadership committee. We have one representative from each grade level that meets with us, the administrators, on a monthly basis, and we get their feedback and have them help us craft the direction the way that we're going with different things such as professional learning and just other areas of how the school is run. And then we also get whole staff feedback as well. We have staff meetings weekly where we ask for teacher feedback and buy-in, and we do that in the form of collecting a plus delta minus survey at the end of each staff meeting. And this really gives us a lot of feedback, and it gives our stakeholders a way to communicate their thoughts and what they think is important. As far as the communicating the vision to the stakeholders, we not only inform our certificated staff as well as our classified staff, but we have all kinds of opportunities for parents to be a part of what we're doing at Westside Park. We have monthly school site council meetings, we have an ELAC committee, and we have monthly coffee with the principal and assistant principal meetings as well, where we get to interact with the parents and get their feedback and just get ideas from them about what they would like to see happening at the school site. As far as engaging stakeholders in developing, monitoring, and revising the plans, that is something that we are continually working on. We do have the same parents and the same stakeholders constantly that are involved, and so we'd like to widen that widen that group of people that is sharing and giving their feedback and helping us to inform our vision. And so we're going to be continuing at that this upcoming school year, just getting a lot of stakeholder input and trying to increase that. Being on distance learning for the past year has not helped with stakeholder input, so we're excited to get back to normal. Thanks so much.